is Jane. I'm a wedding destination photographer. So when I'm not shooting, I'm usually at home making craft. I think maybe 10 years ago where you can buy stickers and everything, so it just suddenly all became journal. I call it trash to treasure. It started off by collecting labels since I started journaling. I like to see nicely designed, beautiful packaging, which I don't want to throw it off. Then I just like recycle them in here. Like for instance, like this one started off a blank page and then I just color it with this down first. And then I didn't know what's gonna happen. This is totally like unplanned and I was testing out and suddenly it just became like an art spread. For planning ones, I use the monthly and the weekly. This is like, you know, like Google Calendar, you have everything. So it's like a one view with full month of thing. One more thing, because I like to take photos, especially when I travel, I bring my film camera as well. And once I see the actual photo after coming back from the trip, I like to print them out and put them in my journal, which a lot of people take photos, they don't print them. Everyone express differently. For me, I like to paste stuff. When I just started off, nobody started off like a genius, right? You need a lot of practice. Until now, I still don't think I'm a genius or it's perfect. I still think I'm still learning. As long as you have a book and a pencil or pen, it's fine already.